Hey guys, I'm back on the Mini Cooper today. Just a little short video. Hopefully it'll be short. Just one of the finishing touches I got to do to it, and then it'll be ready for the road. This battery cable, these things blow apart. They have a little charge in here, and when they're in an accident, they blow apart. I have just pieced this one back together so I could move it around when I needed to. I've actually bought a new one, and what you can actually do is separate these two and just replace this piece underneath here that has the fuse in it, and then keep this right here and just connect it to the new one, and that way you got your fuse replaced, and your this is like a little charge in there when these things are hit, and it blows this thing apart. And this thing was blown apart. If I can get it to come on that one, if I can get it to come apart. Let's see if I can get it, because I pushed it back together pretty good. Let me get something to pry it. Okay, I just took a screwdriver, flat tip screwdriver, and pried that apart. This right here comes apart. That little charge goes off inside the hole down there and blows this thing apart. And what it does is it kills power to the fuel pump in case of an accident, so the fuel pump don't keep running. You'll still have dash lights and things, but the car just won't start. It won't turn over or anything. So if you've bought a Mini Cooper or a BMW that has been hit, and sometimes they go off with just a minor accident with no airbags. No airbags deployed in this car, and it was hit a pretty decent hit on the rear end, and it caused it to pop. So I've got a new one. I ordered it off of, well, a new used one. I ordered off of eBay right here. And it, as you see, it's come with the new connection and everything. So we're just gonna use this. It's got the new charge on it right here. So I'm gonna replace this upper piece right here. And what I'm going to do is take this apart. I'm going to take this cover off and separate this battery cable and just use this part here with the charge on it. And plug that charge in. And then put this one together with that one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get this battery taken out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is the blown part off of the old cable. So I've got to get it off of this cable. So I've got to get this. I'm gonna cut these loose here. Oh. So I have to get this loose from here. So have to open up this to be able to get to it to separate it. Okay, you have these little square plastic keepers in the side of this thing, and what I'm doing is I'm just taking a pick and prying up on it to pull them out. You got two on each side. Then you should be able to open that up. Keep those little plastic pins so you can put them back in when you're done, because we're going to put this cover back on when we're done. Well, this is proving to be a bit of a challenge. But, okay, I've got that side pried up. And I'm just trying to save this plastic thing. I don't want to tear it up because I want to put it back on. Okay, there, I got it separated. Got the top part off. There's the bottom part. And now we just need to separate these two because this is what we need, the one with the charge. Okay, we got it apart. See how clean that one is down inside. It still has the charge in it. And then how brown that one is down inside where it's already been discharged. So now we'll clean up the end on that other one and then get these mashed back together and put the cover on it. And we should be good. Okay. Now we have to put this battery, connect this battery cable to this here. We'll tighten that down. And then the battery cable goes down here and connects right there, like that. And then we'll put the nut back on that. Tighten it down to 13 millimeter. Okay, that's tightened down. Okay, now let's see. This needs to be turned around. Like this. Tighten that down. Now we got that tight. Now I clean up this. I'm gonna clean up the end of this where that explosion went off on it. It's got it kind of brown. And then we'll piece it back inside of there and put the cover on it, and then we'll have to plug it up right there, and then we'll be ready to go. I'm just cleaning it up with a red Scotch-Brite. Get the end all nice and shiny again. And then get this slid back in there. I'll use some pliers to kind of get it wedged down in. top and bottom. It's in there pretty good. Making good contact. Give it one more squeeze, just for good measure. Okay, there you go. Now we got all of that together. Now our plug plugs in over here. Got it plugged up. Okay, as you see, we've got it together. Now just put the plastic cover back on it. Bottom goes there. Top goes there. Okay. Okay. Now we get our little black square pieces and slide those back into place. Okay, I've got all this back together here. All I've got left to do is put this negative cable on the battery, and then put the cover and then the package tray. Okay, as you see, I've got the everything back together as far as this goes. The charge is on there, the new end is on here with the charge in it, and I've got it plugged up right down here. So it's all set, the battery's in snug, tightened down. Another one done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.